Hello guys and welcome to a brand new video. This time I will be using a scope cam. I will be using it in my future videos. This first from Hardball Heaven. My game was going fine until I got mowed down by some guy that shot way too fast. His excuse was that he got shot by 7 other people that round. And his rate of fire only was 20, but that doesn't sound true. His weapon shot way too fast. 3 to 5 round burst was only allowed. He shot a lot in more than 3 to 5 rounds in one burst. Anyway, see for yourself and give me your opinion. Thanks for watching.
He's down. Just one more person. Watch out. He's hit. He's down. He's down. Both down. Move up, guys. One more. One hit. Guys, if I shoot him, can you move up? Au! Slap af, mand! Den deroppe, det skal jeg lige passe på. Du skyder mig rigtig mange gange. Det ved jeg godt, men altså, helt vejen nedad her, du skyder rigtig. Det ved jeg godt, men roffen behøver ikke at være så høj. Okay, det her. Det er fuck, man. Det der rof der.
I found a video with the gun firing a rate of fire at 20 to 25.
Au!
These does not look alike. So please tone down the rate of fire. There is no need to shoot so fast unless you can't hit anything. This is a gentleman's sport.
Er der en ovenpå? En ovenpå. Ja. One upstairs.
Ja, var det den Nighthawk, der døde? Det ser sådan ud.
We're moving upstairs now. Watch out. Fans upstairs. Jeg skal nok holde vinduet. Der er allerede en, der rykker venstre. Eller højre. Au! Det gjorde næsten den der, mand. Han skød kraftigt rundt, den pistol der.
Det kommer ikke på, at jeg sidder og... Ja, det er så. Jeg fik lige på lov, det var ikke så gang.
Lige på den.